Nung isang gabi lang, nag-pray ako na gusto ko ng new friends. Gusto ko ng friends na awake, sabi ko, Lord. Yung gising, yung nakatingin sa life, hindi naka-autopilot, hindi mahilig sa luxury, hindi mahilig sa puro kaartehan.
So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung buong interview na yun, Alessandra De Rossi and Bernadette Sembrano, it reminded me of a lot of things. Kasi nagets ko siya eh. At some point in your life, you will realize that you really choose your friends. Hindi ko naman kinakwento to dahil hindi okay yung mga kaibigan ko or nakipag-away sila. I'm really good with my friends. But narealize ko lang, no, when you're having friends, it's not always about kung sino yung pinaka-nakakatawa. Di ba may mga ganyan sa group, kung sino yun, kung sino yung nakakatawa, kung sino yung laging available, laging may time, pag inaya mo, laging lalabas with you. I think it's really about kung sino yung nire-respeto yung pagkatao mo. Alam mo, funny story, couple of days ago, nakipag-meet ako sa mga college friends ko. And this girl, you've seen her here on TikTok before. I've traveled with her before. And she told me, dati kasi nung college kami, pag lumalabas kami, I was an athlete nung college days namin. And kapag may labas, party, hangout, kanyan, I would always be there. Pero palagi akong umaalis. So napansin niya yun dati nung college kami. And hindi naman siguro siya nagtampo, pero it's just something that she noticed na kapag kasama ako, expect nyo na, ay si Joe laging umaalis yan ng maaga. But now, that was years ago ha. But now she said, she realized na, wala eh. Ganun kang magmahal eh. That's how you are as a friend. You make time if you have time. That's how you are. That's your love language. You will make time kahit anong mangyari. And totoo naman kasi, nung time na yan, mahilig ako sumama, tas lagi lang din ako umaalis. Kahit anong oras pa yan, sasama ako, tas uwi din ako agad. Kasi nga, I was an athlete, and I live far away from Katipunan nung time na yon, Marikina, dyan kasing area na lagi kami nakikipagkita before. Yung interview na to reminded me so much about the type of friendships that we all have. Kumbaga, it's a good time to reflect the people that you have. So, if pinipilit mo yung sarili mo in friendships that make you feel like you're not belong, hindi ka pinahahalagahan. Yung feeling mo na kailangan kang, parang lagi ka nag-a-adjust, kailangan nagpapaliwanag ka. Hindi na yata friendship yung ganun. Parang convenience na lang din yun because you're the one that's closer. Ikaw yung kilala na agad, laging sumasama. Dati pa nga iniisip ko, ay namimili ng kaibigan yan. Dapat hindi yan pinakikisamahan. Now, na-realize ko na wala pala talagang mali dun. Actually, dapat naman talaga namimili ka ng mga sinasamahan mo. Because at the end of the day, your circle, your friends, the one you always hang out with, should feel like pahinga. Na hindi mo kailangang patunayan yung sarili mo because tanggap ka nila just as you are. Lang, naisip ko lang. Ganun ka rin ba? Naka-feel ka na ba ng ganun? Yung may mga kaibigan kang sinamahan, pero pakiramdam mo, you always have to constantly prove yourself. Let me know.